Good. Stop. Oh, stop. Good job. Oh, it's getting bigger. Bigger. You're right. Stop. Off. 1, 2, 3. Where'd it go? Why is that activity so great? It is cause and effect. You pump it up and down, and the effect is that the balloon gets bigger. You let go of the balloon, and the balloon flies around and makes a sound, right? We did this activity for 30 minutes. It was very motivating. Did you notice? Not only was I on the ground, but the toy was here, eye level, and then she was here. Like, we were just, boom, directly in line. And we had some really great, fantastic social moments. This child didn't have social challenges, but if your child does, wow, that kind of positioning, person, toy, person, boom, is perfect. The toy needs to be motivating. They have to be into it. You don't need to go and buy a balloon pump, but it works really well. But there's lots of different kinds of cause and effect toys. You'll see some on my Amazon wish list. Something like a hammer and peg toy where you hammer it, it goes down and you pull it out. Something like a ball track, you put the ball into a hole and it swirls down and pops out. Something like that is fantastic for kids to understand. I do this and that happens. Really fantastic for speech. Hope this was helpful. Visit my website and check out all my free resources. Also, follow Walkie Talkie Speech Therapy on social media so you never miss out on something new from us. Thanks, like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.